Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the location of your Excel Start folder. This folder is useful because it's where you can save default templates for new workbooks and new sheets, so Excel automatically includes them. Step 1. Enable the Developer tab. If you don't already have the Developer tab visible on your ribbon, right-click on any existing tab. Select Customize the ribbon. In the list of tabs on the right, tick Developer. Click OK. Now you should see the Developer tab on your ribbon. Step 2. Open the Visual Basic editor. Go to the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. Make sure the immediate window is visible at the bottom. If you don't see it, go to View Greater than Immediate Window. Step 3. Find the Startup folder. In the immediate window, type the following line of code. Application.startupPath. Press Enter. The path displayed is the location of your Excel Start folder on your computer. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to save your default workbook and sheet templates. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.